I don't know how you guys feel about, if you guys are trying to do, Instagram posts or YouTube videos or, whatever. You see the guys you're working with working, and, you're just walking around with a camera. They're sweating, they're working hard, and you're just like, So I just hate that feeling. Hey, what's up, guys? It has been a while since I've done a video, and there just hasn't been much going on for me. But I ended up getting the mulch job scheduled, 21 yards. So that's what I'm going to be doing for this video. And to start this video out, the mulch is supposed to be delivered hopefully here pretty soon. It's about 3 o'clock on Wednesday, and I have the mulch job scheduled for Thursday, tomorrow. But I'm going to go pick up a power buggy, like a concrete power buggy, to hopefully help minimize, just the time and the energy to move 21 yards. So I'm on my way to go pick up that and get in my trailer. And hopefully by then I get a call from the mulch delivery guy, and he is headed out there and I can meet him there. So, I think the biggest job I've done was 6 yards of mulch, and this is 21. So I know it's going to be a lot, but I'm kind of excited to see like exactly how much is 21 yards. So yeah, I got Scott helping me hopefully tomorrow, and my nephew is working with me also. So should be the three of us. I got a wheelbarrow and then that power buggy. So hopefully we can knock it out, 4 or 5 hours, maybe 6 hours. Just depends, how quickly things go. But yeah, we'll pick the video back up when I am getting the power buggy, and we'll see you guys there.
Well, hello, sir.
Got a YouTube channel.
YouTube channel?
Yeah, got a YouTube channel.
That's boom mic, huh?
Huh?
A boom mic?
Yeah.
You ever seen the Bolt? Bolt?
Huh?
Bolt with the dog, Disney flick or whatever. Bolt, like the Disney flick or whatever with the dog. Bolt. Oh, Bolt, like the movie Bolt with the dog.
Oh.
Hey, like the boom mic, the boom mic.
Yeah, the microphone's not great on that, so.
Still slick,
Pick
no.
up that one, but, yeah. And that's all wind down.
So the window. They dropping it all off with a truck?
Huh?
They dropping it off with a truck, or?
They're supposed to call me between 1 and 3 to deliver it, but I haven't heard from them yet, so.
Heard from them yet?
I figured I'd come pick this up and hopefully.
Be ready for them, huh? Every time you come in, you got new attachments on everything.
What?
You got the new thing. What the hell's that for?
Yeah.
It must be for hoses.
I'm always trying to like I want to get bigger, and the only way to do that is to put something like that on there, like I'm hiring. But I haven't had anyone call me yet. But I ended up getting some help later on in my leaf season, and he might be coming back this year, springtime. So
It's on its way.
yeah.
We're past Christmas and New Year's. It's coming.
Well, I say like the days are gonna get longer.
It'll be getting longer, huh? After that 21st, huh?
Yeah.
Ain't that nice?
Yeah, I hope probably within the next month I might
Crank it up a little bit,
be
anyways.
doing like some marketing, get some door hangers, and like hand myself out so I can just start getting a bunch of
Get more business, huh?
get more business,
more business.
Make a lot of money in the springtime, and
Keep going, get bigger, huh? You got the
I'll
tires.
afford that leaf loader that I want.
Yes! Be slick, huh?
Yeah.
You got new tires for the truck, huh?
Huh?
You got new tires for your truck, huh?
I've had those for a while.
Hey,
I got a screw in one of them, and I was like looking at them, and they were bald, and I'm like, I should probably get some before winter comes. So.
Winter, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, I put a lot of money in that truck this
Damn trucks. That constant thing, huh?
year. Yeah.
Constant.
Well, I've never had to work it as hard as I've worked it this year. You know. All right.
That's all right, though. That's all right. It's still working, though.
It still works. Yeah, it's a workhorse for sure.
My God, it could be a Chevrolet.
Huh?
It could be a Chevrolet.
I don't like it. I'm a Ford guy.
Yes, yes. Grab my hoodie. I'll be right with you. Get everybody showing up.
Also the kill switch. Off for the choke switch?
Yep.
Okay. And how are you doing that? Like
Down is forward, up is reverse.
You just gotta kind of push it and turn it.
Yep, and then it's kick lever right here.
Yeah.
There we go.
All right. Hey, so quick little update. I ended up picking up the concrete buggy, and it's about 4 o'clock, and I still hadn't heard from the mulch place. And so I gave him a call, and it turns out that the dispatch was never made for today for the delivery. So she said that they would get it first thing in the morning, and she said between 7 and 8. So hopefully that happens, you know. But yeah, I was planning on starting that job around like 9 or so. So, you know, hopefully it'll, if they're not there between 7 and 8, you know, hopefully 8:30 at the latest. Yeah, it sucks, but you know, you got to roll with the punches sometimes, I guess. And I'm glad I called because they close at 4, and I called them about 15 minutes ago, and that's what she told me. So yeah, headed back home, and you know, gonna put my trailer in my garage because it's got the power buggy in it, and get a good night's sleep tonight, and wake up extra early tomorrow, and head out and put some mulch in. So yeah, I'll definitely be getting video of that, all that stuff, you know, the mulch drop and wheelbarrowing it and power buggying it into the back. So yeah, we'll see you guys there.
Hey guys, so I decided to divide this video up into 2 parts, just because that the whole video is about 30 minutes long, and I know that most people that are going to watch this probably are not going to want to sit through 25 minutes for this video. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video here and upload the actual job in a couple days. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. I know I didn't give proper send off at this last bit, but yeah, just wanted to say thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more videos, and don't forget to click that bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. And we will see you guys in the next one. Later.